Welcome into lesson 29. Today we are discussing the descending melodic minor scale. The melodic minor scale descends in two different ways, traditional melodic and the real melodic. And first we're going to discuss the traditional melodic minor. Okay, so here we have our traditional melodic minor. And the traditional melodic minor scale descends with scale degrees 6 and 7 lowered by a half step, reverting back to the natural minor scale. So on the way up, we have the flat third, the raised 6th, and the raised 7th, and there's our octave. And then on the way back down, we have our flat 7 and our flat 6, along with our flat third, which gives us the natural minor scale. All right, so switching gears here to the real natural minor, we have the ascending version, which is just the major scale with the lowered third, or the flat third in our case, and the descending is exactly the same. So nothing switches on the way up to the way back down. So we have the flat third, the raised 6, and the 7th, so this A and the B, and then on the way back down, we have the 7 and the 6, along with the lowered third right there. Okay, so taking a look at the real versus the traditional and how they're different here. The ascending is exactly the same. So we have the lowered third of a major scale. And on the way back down, the descension, the 7th and the 6th are lowered back to the to the natural minor scale versus the real, which stay the same, the raised 6th and the raised 7th. So again, the only difference, the 7th is lowered a half step again, and the 6th is lowered a half step. So in our case, we're in the key of C minor. So we have an E flat, a B flat, and an A flat, or B flat, E flat, A flat, if we're thinking in the order of flats. And this reverts back to the natural minor scale. The reason for these differences is to give more colors and variations and options for the composer when they're writing music. So not just being stuck in a major scale or in a minor scale, but now we can kind of segue between the two, helping to transition between or make them a little bit more ambiguous. Hope that helps.